So here's how to show or hide player display name in Call of Duty Black Ops 6. So to do this, simply launch the game on your console. Then on your controller, press the options button to access this menu. And then use the R1 or the L1 button and go to the settings icon to reveal all settings. And then within the settings, scroll down and select interface. So select that. And then in the interface, use the R1 or the L1 button and go to the Game Hub option. So there it is, the Game Hub. And then within the Game Hub, scroll down and find player names. So here it is, select that. Now if you want to show the player name, you can either choose full name, which will display the clan tag and the full name of the player. If you want abbreviated, it only displays the full name of the player. Or if you want to show the icon only, you can just choose the option. So to show the player name, you can either choose full name to show the full name, or you can choose the abbreviated one. So if you want to hide the player name, you can just choose icon only, and that will not display the player name. Then, and as you can see in the preview on the right, on what each option is all about. So make the changes you desire, and then once done, exit, and the changes will be applied. So that's basically it. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, leave them down in the comment section below. And if you found this video useful, consider leaving a like and subscribing to the channel.